We have a variety of rooms at St Leonard's house. Here we are in one of our studio rooms, which comes with an inbuilt kitchen and dining area. All of our rooms are really bright and spacious and come with a 3/4 size double bed, a study area, as well as plenty of storage space. The water, heating, electricity and Wi-Fi are all included in the rent, so you don't need to worry about any other hassle with additional bills. Our modern ensuite bathrooms are great for privacy and mean you can take as long as you like washing your hair without having to worry about anybody else needing to use the bathroom. This is our communal kitchen that you will share with other residents. It's really spacious and comes with everything you need to cook up a feast. There's fridge freezers, hobs, ovens and a microwave. And the large dining area behind makes it the best place to host a dinner party. We're now in the most fun room of the house, our lounge area. This is the perfect place to come to socialise or study any time of the day or night, where you can get together with friends, have a game of pool, or just chill out and enjoy a movie night. So that concludes our tour of St Leonard's house. I hope you've enjoyed it and we hope to see you soon. Bye!